It's rainy. It's boring. No playing outside today. Bummer.
Welcome to DWS Street. We have a story to tell you. It's an adventure with Christopher, Kazoo, and Bongo Boo. It's about Irish pirates, treasure, and more. In the beginning, it's all about being It's raining, it's pouring, this day is really boring. Can't go out, can't go play, the sky is dark, the clouds are gray. It's a boring day, it's a boring day. My feet are itching to wiggle my toes. In grass so tall it'll tickle my nose. But stuck inside it's a bona fide disaster. It's a boring day. It's a boring day. It's a boring day. I'd like to play hide and seek for a week. Kick a ball over this bloody muddy street. But the sun's on vacation in my present location. It's raining. It's a boring day. Wish I could scoot on my scooter. Wish I could toot a train scooter. Toot toot! Running around in circles till I make it to the moon. But here I am stuck in this very warm room. It's raining, it's pouring. This day is really boring. Can't go out, can't go play. The sky is dark, the clouds are gray. It's a boring day. It's a boring day. It's a boring, boring day. Yeah!
It's a snoring day.
Look, Moonji is so bored he's fallen asleep.
This isn't a boring day. It's a snoring day. It's a snoring day. It's a snoring day. My eyelids are closing. It's a day for a dozing. I'm not fooling. Look, Freckles is drawing. It's quiet as a mouse who's living in a heap. No one to play with, everybody's asleep. It's a boring, snoring day. Come on, everybody. We need to wake up.
Why? It's too wet to go outside and play.
So, let's wake up our imaginations and go somewhere else. You mean like pretend we're on the moon? That would be cool. We can go anywhere we want using our noggins. Using my noggin, I can be walking through the Sahara. me. Using my noggin, I can keep rocking on a toboggan or sailing the sea. Hey Christopher, what do you see?
I see Martin Luther King Jr. giving his I Have a Dream speech.
I have a dream.
What do you think? Want to play Martin Luther King Jr.?
Nah, that's a long speech. I'd be too scared to speak in front of those people.
Okay, now I see Mary Lou Retton winning a gold medal in gymnastics. What do you think?
Nah. There's not enough room in here. I might get hurt. I'm not that stretchy.
Ahoy, mateys, I see pirates.
Yeah, let's play pirates! Everyone agreed a treasure hunt would be fun. No one knew where to look for a treasure. Moonji said they needed a treasure map. What's a map? Everyone asked. So Moonji explained that a map was like a flat picture of the earth.
He also said it was like a set of directions that helped you get from here to there.
And everyone else said,
Huh? So Moonji explained it like this.
found the treasure map. There's the X. That's where we'll find our treasure.
No, that's my chewing gum.
Ugh, gross.
No, actually it's strawberry melon. This says the treasure is on Wishbone Island.
Let's go find it!
You don't usually find an island out here at DWS.
So, using our noggins,
Christopher Kazoo and his friends made a sailboat and sailed all the way to Wishbone Island.
But before they would look for treasure, Bongo Boo wanted everyone to go exploring in the ocean.
What do you see? Do you see in the sea? You won't believe what you see in the sea. What do you see? Do you see in the sea? Strange as can be what you see in the sea. You'll find schools of fish and pods of whales, herds of sharks with great big tails, clams and squids, sea urchins too. There's thousands more, that's just a few. What do you see? Do you see in the sea? You won't believe what you see in the sea. What do you see? Do you see in the sea? Strange as can be what you see in the sea. You'll find mountains tall and valleys deep, miles and miles of coral reefs, hidden caves, and great big plains where you could swim for days and days. It's a whole different world down there. Nothing on earth compares. What do you see? Do you see in the sea? You won't believe what you see in the sea. What do you see? Do you see in the sea? Strange as can be what you see in the sea. What do you see? Do you see in the sea? What do you see? Do you see in the sea? After exploring the ocean, the kids started exploring the island,
Looking for the treasure. Avasti there, scurvy dogs! Out to steal my treasure, are ye? As me name's Irish Ike, I'll make you walk the plank or worse.
What did he say? I think he said, run!
As the pirates were chasing them, Bongo Boo and Christopher Kazoo had an idea.
They thought Irish Ike might let them go if they played him an Irish jig.
Not only did the pirates stop chasing them, they started dancing to the Irish jig.
He's the captain of the ship and sails upon the seas. On one arm he wears the patch, he's scary as can be. Irish Ike, the Irish to the sea. Tweedledee, 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 tweedledee. Irish Ike has got a crew.
Get to work and pay your due, the brigger whiffs.
Lift up your heels and sing out of the fire like the lead. Irish Ike, the pirates shoot to sea. Tweedledee, 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 tweedledee. Irish Ike has got a flag. If he's hoisted up the flag, and let him flee. each other.
Yeah, Kanima's right. True friends are the real treasure.
I'm your friend, you're my friend. We'll be friends forever. Will you go? I will go. I'll be there for you. When I see you smile, it brightens up my day. And when we share a laugh or two, then everything's okay. I'm your friend, you're my friend, so we'll stick together. Me and you will be true like Christopher and Blue. When I see you smile, it brightens up my day. And when we share a laugh or two, then everything's okay. I'm your friend, you're my friend, so we'll stick together. Me and you will be true like Christopher and
Everyone agreed. It wasn't a boring day.
It wasn't a snoring day.